Kuya, alam mo ba? Naka-impeach daw yung government official na yun. Pero paano ba talaga nananagot ang official ng gobyerno sa batas?
Aba, that's a great question. Here's a quick trivia for you.
Under Article 11 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution, public officers must at all times be accountable to the people.
Wow! So pwede pa silang panagutin?
Yes, through impeachment, administrative cases, or even criminal charges, especially if they commit betrayal of public trust, graft, or corruption.
High-ranking officials like the President, Vice President, and Supreme Court Justices can be impeached by Congress.
So kahit mataas ang posisyon, may pananagutan pa rin.
Exactly. In political law, no one is above the law. Accountability is part of democracy.